coast, Corpus Christi.
Mimi, how is to have breakfast with the seagulls?
Terrifying, it's Hunger Games.
us on the ferry. We arrived today to Florida. Now we had 34 miles. Another bridge in our life. It's amazing. Going to visit our friend in Crestview. Still in Florida. Beautiful trail. It's a view. A morning ride. Sporks on wheels. Have 5 miles left to our destination and a tire popped on our trailer.
It's always that. It's always the 5-6 mile. It never happens at the 10 or 20. It's either in the beginning
Or the
or the right, or right when you were like exhausted. You're like, oh my God, we're almost there. I'm so hungry. I just want to eat something. Dreaming about pizza. You get a flag.
Yeah. Now we're stuck on the road. Dedicated mechanic.
I don't know about dedicated.
We're like right there.
Yeah,
How many miles?
there.
4.4.
4.4.
I've seen the point.
I haven't had flat tire for a while.
That is true. That is true.
The last one we had it was in Texas.
We get
Before
flats,
blessing.
we get 'em on a road. So this is the start. So I'm guaranteed we're probably gonna get like 3 or more in the next week or so.
No. Today, another morning on our journey in Florida, heading to Crestview to visit our friend and celebrate New Year. It's a cold morning and lots of hills. It is cold outside, but we're sweating a lot. Although we have socks, most of us, we're still sweating a lot. We all got sick. Now we're planning to battle to car rental, rent a car and drive to Jose's sister's instead of staying 5 more days in a hotel. We arrived to Puerto Rico. We're gonna make a surprise for our grandma. 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30. Oh. We're here.